Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the YTEATH Pro Electric Toothbrush, a powerhouse of dental care for both adults and kids. Equipped with a high-frequency motor generating 40,000 vibrations per minute, this toothbrush effectively removes up to 99.99% of plaque, reaching even the tightest spaces between your teeth for a thorough clean. With 8 replaceable brush heads featuring 3 different bristle colors, it's easy for family members to keep track of their own, and these heads provide up to 24 months of use. The toothbrush boasts an impressive 90-day battery life after just a 3.5-hour charge, making it ideal for both daily use and extended travel. It offers 5 distinct cleaning modes, including a sensitive mode for first-time users or those with delicate gums, and a white mode to help remove surface stains for a brighter smile. The built-in 2-minute smart timer, with a 30-second interval reminder, ensures you clean each quadrant of your mouth thoroughly, promoting better brushing habits. Plus, the sleek travel case keeps your toothbrush hygienic and ready for use wherever you go, making it the perfect travel companion. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.